Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix or how to rewind back on Tinder if you accidentally swipe at one profile. Right? So we all use Tinder, right? So Tinder is it's all about swiping between if you like some person and you can if you don't want like the pick the person itself, you don't have to swipe him up, right? So when you swipe in, in Tinder, the particular person will be getting a notification that you have swiped them, and even they swipe back, you can chat in between and you can hook up it with them. That is what it's all about, this one, right? So that's about it. But in this video, I'm going to talk about is how to rewind back on Tinder if you swiped accidentally, right? How to fix this up. So I'll be providing a link in the description to this article so you can read from our website and you can get more info on the same, right? So let's directly get into the Tinder itself, right? So I just wanted to make you notice that is actually you have to go for the best thing if you wanted to, but like you have to hook up in the Tinder. The best option is to go for, what should I say? You have to go for get the Tinder with the gold options here, as you can see in the bottom. This is not my profile, but even though I just made for the video purpose, as you can see, the My Tinder Plus is always available, and if you tap on this, you'll be getting the options, right? These are the options you're getting in between, and also you can go for the Tinder Plus, which means you have to pay to the Tinder. Even for the 12 months, it's all comes around 342, and for the 6 months, it's 436, and even the 1 month, it is for 747, right? So what is the benefit of getting this? So if you ask me the question, is it possible to rewind back if you accidentally had someone in between? So what is I have to do? For example, just imagine that I'm just going to swipe this up. So I just made this like, and if I wanted to make it back, it is not possible with the normal versions which is available from the Play Store, right? So if you wanted to make it rewind back, you must have the gold. What I have shown here, you might have the My Tinder Plus, which means the gold version of it, and the platinum version is available where you have to pay. And even if you pay this, you'll be getting an option in order to do this, right? If you are having this one at the bottom, there will be an option in which you can do that, right? So it is all about it. So you have to go for the Tinder Plus where you have to pay for it, right? So that's all about when it comes to ESET. If you ask me the question, is it possible to rewind back in the Tinder? But I should say that in the basic package, it is not possible to do this one. But even though if you upgrade yourself or when you take the premium versions, which is available right now as you saw now, we can do this up. So that's all about when it comes to how to rewind back in the Tinder. Any kind of suggestions are most welcome in the comment section. And this is Shahan signing off from Good Shower Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. See you soon. Peace out.